Welcome to ELVPrasad Techzone. In the last video, we had seen Spark history and challenges. So in this video, we would see how Spark challenges would be handled. So before getting into that, the challenges we had seen, like we need to set up our own cluster if we use the Spark, and security need to be handled, and spinning of cluster is manually, and auto scaling is not possible. How these challenges will be handled with the other technologies? So Azure Databricks, it's a where we will overcome all the challenges we had seen we faced with the Spark, because in the Azure Databricks, so setting up cluster is not required because we already have the multiple type of clusters will be there, job cluster and all purpose cluster. So based on our requirement, we can select, and even spinning up the cluster is just simply a single click, and auto scaling would be taken care here, because while selecting creating a cluster job cluster, so we have to select the number of min and max nodes. So when we are dealing with the data processing, so it will auto scale the nodes based on that amount of data we are dealing with. So how many nodes it required, based on that it will taken care. And access permissions will be handled in Databricks. We'll have the multiple roles will be there, so admin role and member role. So like based on that, the permissions will be handled, and security will be taken care. Might be the Microsoft Enter ID level, it is a Azure Active Directory level, and even Spark is 5 times faster in Databricks. So these are the features. In addition to this, we have even Databricks notebooks, which are very user friendly, which is similar to the Jupyter notebook. And even we can create databases tables like in RDBMS. So that is possible in the Databricks. Even ACID, actually transactions are possible with the feature called Delta Lake. It's an open source which is available in the Azure Databricks. So under Delta Lake, so we can have the multiple schemas like Metascore and databases and schemas and tables like that. We have the hierarchy, and we have the time travel feature in Databricks. So so with that we will get the audit details, audit trail details, like so if any of the actually ingestion fails, so in that case, so whatever the previous success version is there, that we can easily restore with the time travel feature by mentioning the version or the timestamp that we can do. And even scheduling the jobs in notebooks, this is possible under the workflows. Uh, so these are the multiple features we have. Even small files problem would be resolved with the optimize feature. So if multiple files are generated for each ingestion or like that, at that time using optimize we can actually uh, merge that into a single file. Even we can use the high level languages, Python, Scala, R, and SQL in the Databricks. So who are good in programming, they can use the Scala, Python, R, or who are good in SQL, they can use the SQL. Even we have the SQL analytics feature. Even we can handle the machine learning workloads also can be handled. So the Azure Databricks we can handle end-to-end data analytics is possible. So in this way, Azure Databricks has a lot of features. We'll discuss more about the Azure Databricks in the coming videos. Like, shares, and subscribe to ELVPrasad Techzone. Thank you.